So the desk is done, or well, done enough for me for right now. So the bottom has Minwax aged barrel stain and matte polyacrylic for sealing, not that it would get wet or whatever. I cleaned the top of a couple of driblets that fell on the fatigue mat that had the top rusting on. So I cleaned it a little bit with a rag and some acetone. This is the business end of it. I have the pass-through in place for the cables of the monitor and the power. I mounted the surge protector, so I'll have to worry about that later. Another thing, like I said, I wish I'd have found them in black so they don't stand out. And I'm pretty sure they will stand out because I'm further brown. But the pegs, I need to find them in black, or just Sharpie them in place after. Anyway, it's not clear. That is the shadow of the sun, as you can see. So those are in streaks, with sun streaks from the fence. Yeah, it's 24 hours. She's done. She's going in place sometime tonight, tomorrow, something. We'll figure it out. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and or subscribe.